Hello friends, and welcome to my office, and welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. If this is the first time you're visiting with us, I want to extend to you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. If today is your birthday, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. The holidays are coming, and today we're going to talk about some exciting prices that we discovered in our latest trip to the Orange store. So we want to share those with you because they were very exciting news for us, right, Elvira?
Yep.
So while we're purchasing material for our last project, the one you just saw about the mailbox, we came across some really good deals. As you know, we are kind of vested in the RYOBI platform, right?
Yeah.
And we found a really sweet deal. And that is this pack of batteries. How many there are again?
6.
6. And it says here special buy. And there are 6 batteries.
Tilt it because this. Yep, there we go.
6 batteries and the charger, right?
Mm-hmm.
For, do you remember the price?
$129.
It is a steal of a price, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if you're vested in the RYOBI brand, this is an absolutely fantastic deal.
Yeah.
We did not open it. We wanted to share this with you, so we're going to open them now. But
so the 129 is our area. We don't know what it's going to be across the country, but here in North Carolina.
It should be the same.
Here in North Carolina, that's what it is.
And it comes, of course, with the manual.
Literatures.
As I said, it comes with a charger, and then I'm not going to unpack them, but all the batteries are here. Mm-hmm. You want me to unpack them?
No.
They're in 2 packs, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
And for this price, if you want to start someone in the RYOBI ecosystem, you can buy them that and a bare tool, and they will have plenty of battery, right?
Right.
And you can find RYOBI tools right now for $19, for $20, you know.
Depends on the tool, but yeah, some of them are that price point.
Trying for a more dramatic change. So what is this called? So a great example of what we're talking about is this $20, just under $20, right? Mm-hmm. $19.95. Again, I think it's a special price.
It was.
And it is on the same, so these batteries will work with this, the batteries we just showed you. Mm-hmm. And this is an inflator, right?
Yeah.
And for $20 for a name brand, that is really great. Mm-hmm. I mean, we have not seen anything to this price point, correct?
Right.
And actually, that was such a good deal that Elvira, that was looking for one for a long time now, this is actually her too, right?
Yep.
And here it is. Oh, I like that it has this, you know, it doesn't have this.
The positive lock, yeah.
It doesn't have the little...
It's not a twist, it's here. It's not a twist, it's one of these that you snap on, and here, let me get that a little more in focus. It's one of these that you snap on, so it makes a positive lock. That's cool.
And it also has 2 adapters. I didn't know it did that.
Oh.
So this is this looks like for mattresses and balls, and you know. Again, we just opened it. We haven't even looked at the material, but this I like.
Nice.
I mean,
positive,
it's yours.
positive start and stop.
Look at the trigger. It's a very nice trigger.
Yeah. Doesn't have too much weight right now. I'm sure adding the battery in will add some weight, but
You want me to take a battery out?
no, it's fine. And then it looks like it's gonna have the gauge on the back there.
Yeah, it gets an electronic. I think we should get the battery so we can show.
Okay, sure.
I don't know if they're. I don't know.
We'll
if they're
find out
charged
if they're charged or not.
Usually they're not fully charged, but they should have some charge in there, right?
Yeah.
Enough to see if we. It is not bad. Hold it. Hold it.
Yeah, not bad at all. Ooh.
Apparently it has battery power.
It's got quite a bit of...
And I can see a very nice display, I mean, from what I can see
Yeah,
here.
it's hard to see. Can you hold it? Because it's just got a glow right now and I got to focus. See? Yeah, you can't actually see anything. It's just got the
Probably
glow.
farther away.
But it does have... Nope, that doesn't help. But it does have the digital gauge there with right now showing 00. 00.
Right.
Yeah. It just looks like a big glowy screen on here.
Well, maybe it's the angle because depending on the angle, sometimes I can see or sometimes I cannot.
Yeah.
No?
Not sure. Yeah.
All right, but it is.
And is there a way to set it to the pressure that you need?
Probably, I don't know. But I was thinking you should be able to set from PSI. Again, we probably need to read something, right? I don't see another button, but I don't know. But it is great. I like it a lot.
I do like this, that this holds the...
Yeah.
Holds this in a little bit, yeah.
And of course, it easily stands by itself, right? I mean,
yeah, that's nice.
All right, and I presume it turns off like after a few seconds by itself as well. So this is a very nice unit. It has clearly you only have a hard time turning it on, right?
Right.
And if you're a host and you don't mind the sound of the motor, you can use it as
a personal blower.
A personal blower. And really, for the similar devices, this is not very loud. I'm sure it is very loud on camera because our mic amplifies everything.
Yeah.
But it is not really a loud...
it's comparable to others that we've used.
So we're going to leave that here for the moment.
Okay.
And the next thing we bought...
We went on a shopping spree yesterday, unintentionally.
Right, we just came across these deals and they were just too great of a deals. My original RYOBI is over 10 years old. My original RYOBI driver, right?
This did turn off. Just want to point that out. After a couple seconds, it did turn off. Okay.
So my original driver is, again, as I said, about 20 years old. Oh, not 20.
10.
But over 10 years old. I don't know exactly how old it is. And we first saw the newer version, but the brass version. And that was a really good price. You remember the price?
It was $49.
$49. And then we actually picked that up. And as we were working away, this one said, so this down the aisle, I mean,
it was a couple pieces over, yeah.
And this one was
57.
57, but this is brushless.
Yeah.
And it is nouveau. I mean, that stands for something, right?
Nouveau.
Right.
Let's see, nouveau. Yep, nouveau.
And as you can see, it is brushless. And if my brass model has held over 10 years without ever changing brushes,
right?
I mean, I will go to my grave with this one, right? I mean, this is really exciting, and $50 is not a bad price for a driver, right?
60, but
right.
Yeah.
But 50.
Yeah, but on a good sale price, that was a great deal, and it made sense to upgrade just for an additional $10 or so.
I think they're usually around 120, and I think the other one is around 99. You know, don't quote me exactly on the prices, but that's the ballpark.
Roughly.
You know? So this is a good deal, and of course with this packets, you can have a lot of tools. Like for about $200, you have all the batteries you need and 2 tools.
Right.
And you add another 20. I mean, there are a lot of tools.
Yeah, they have, you know, it's that holiday season, so they've got that whole section set up now where you can go in and select from different tools they've got. These are just the ones we selected because that's what we needed.
All right. And here is the new brushless. It's ergonomic, of course, like RYOBI always is. And I didn't bring a bit, but it has that new system that you don't have to pull it for the bit. You pull it and then you put it in and it locks.
Oh, okay.
So it saves you one step.
Okay.
But here it is, brand new brushless. It is the newest version. And here is my over 10-year-old, I think about 15 years old. And probably the design is 20 years old, but I have it for 15. So side by side, the new one is smaller, but fatter, right? This motor is longer. But overall, very similar size, I would say. What do you think?
Yeah, similar.
All right.
Does this one have the level in it?
No, the other one has. You're thinking of the
other. Okay.
The drill. The RYOBI drill has it.
Okay, but not the...
Not that one, yeah.
Okay.
So they look comparable, I think. I tried to decide which one is heavier. I think they're very similar. I mean, we could put them on a scale, but what's the point for that, right?
Right. Okay.
I would like to hear them, so I'll put a battery in it. And here's what I like about RYOBI. A 15-year-old tool, brand new battery. No problem, right? I mean, very few companies do that so successfully.
Ooh, 3 really bright lights.
Oh, I didn't even see those.
Yeah.
Does that even have one? No.
No, that one doesn't.
This is so old that was prior to LED.
Yeah.
and lights on.
That's nice though. 3, that really lights up your workspace.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
That's the flashlight.
Yes.
And I actually think this is quieter.
It is. It is.
Because it doesn't have the brushes.
Yeah.
That makes some sense. But again, as you can see, this works. It has never disappointed us.
Yeah.
And we didn't need to replace it. The only reason we bought this is because we thought it was a fantastic deal. Right?
Right.
So for under $200 we bought the inflator, we bought this brushless tool, and 6 batteries with a charger.
Right.
I don't think you can beat that, right? I mean,
No, that's a really good deal.
and with another 20 or 40 bucks you can add a couple of more tools and you have someone a very, very nice Christmas gift for 200 bucks in essence, right?
Yeah.
So absolutely fantastic deal. Here's the question, which one you like, the old blue or the new?
I actually really like the new green.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, and that has 2 speeds, this doesn't. I mean, you see how basic this is? This has nothing. It has a trigger
Yeah.
and that's it, right?
Yeah.
This, and I didn't notice it before, but it has 2 speeds.
Oh, nice.
Man, that's turbo.
So a little bit louder with the higher speed, but still. Okay.
And one of the things I like about RYOBI, even after all these years, you see, I mean, other than the fact that we're using it, it is dusty, right? Dirty.
Yeah.
If you clean it, this will look brand new, don't you think?
Yeah, it's still a really nice tool. It just
Yeah.
obviously is the older models.
Well, yeah, when you compare it, you see it's the old, and it has the old style of on-off. I mean, this is still the same idea, but it is more positive.
Yeah.
You can even hear it, right? Excellent. I really, really enjoy those two. What do you think?
Yeah. I'm sure we're going to be using it a lot in the future.
I hope so, because we bought them.
Yeah.
So here we are with our haul. Again, we spent under $200 for everything that you see here, right? And for an example of what RYOBI offers, I don't know if you want to come closer and see all these different devices that are powered by the one battery.
So this is a outdoor tool like a trimmer, power tools. They've got the fastener gun like we have, lighting, audio, so like a Bluetooth speaker, plumbing type tools, cleaning tools, and then apparently there's a vacuum they have now.
Well, I have a vacuum, remember? It's a blue one too.
Yeah, but this is a more like a stick style vacuum. That's like the big.
And I can tell you from experience, they will work on my vacuum, they work in our blower, right? So RYOBI probably is one of the most prolific companies as far as what
Yeah, they've got a
devices
lot
they
of
have.
things across a lot of different needs.
So to me, if you want to get into a tool brand, get one of those and 1 or 2 tools and you're well on your way, right? And I hope this was a useful, do you want to give the numbers? All right, people sometimes like that. The inflator is P737D.
P737D.
Yes, is the inflator. The batteries are P106K, and I think the 106 refers to the batteries themselves.
Okay.
Now keep in mind, it has everything RYOBI has 3-year warranty. So these have 3 years warranty.
That's nice.
And it is written in the box too, so you know.
And what about the drill now? The
The
driver? I meant, yeah, but what's the number on there?
Okay. The drill is P238
P238.
Nouveau, and again with a 3-year warranty.
Okay.
So that's a pretty decent warranty. A lot of tools these days only have 12 months, right?
Right.
I mean,
Right.
a year in essence, right? So
Right.
even for that, I mean, 6 batteries for a year warranty, I don't think you can beat that, right? I mean,
Yeah.
and I doubt that even if you have failure, I doubt all 6 will fail. I mean,
Right. Right.
I mean, in all our batteries, I've had 2 fail. 2 RYOBI batteries fail, and I need to make a video on how to try to rejuvenate them. Maybe that's another Wednesday quickie.
Maybe.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Urban Homesteading Channel Wednesday Quickies, and if you did, we would appreciate a thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the other button twice. Share, like, subscribe, put your masks on, get vaccinated, wash your hands. So we're going to see you again for our next video. From Dr. Wizard and Rpida, stay safe, friends.